Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add total row in a table in Excel. For example, you have inserted a table in your worksheet and now you want to add the total row at the bottom of the table. How could you solve it? It's very easy to add the total row at the bottom of a table in Excel. Please do as follows. Select any cell in the table to activate the Table Design tab. Click the Table Design tab. In the Table Style Options group, check the Total Row option, and you can see the total row is added for the last column only, and you can drag this cell to the left side to add the total row for the column B, C, and column D. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.